Happy Thanksgiving, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we are making a spiced apple cobbler. So let's be thankful for your apples and jump right in.
Wielding a sharp knife, carefully slice your apples up into thinner strips. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 215 degrees Celsius or 420 Fahrenheit. Fan bake. Next, get a deep pie dish, not like mine, and then push the apples in. The apples will be upset, so it's time to coat them with nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and flour. Carefully toss everything together until it's well coated. Having been coated, add some lemon juice and melted butter and bake for 20 minutes. In a bowl, we add white sugar, brown sugar, flour, and baking powder. Then whisk them all together until well combined. Now we add milk and again whisk it all together until it's a smooth cake batter consistency. Once done, we put it to one side while waiting for the apples to finish baking. You should only have to wait several minutes for the apples to be baked, and then take the apples out and turn the oven down to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drizzle the batter over the cooked apples and then place the cobbler back in the oven for 35 minutes. I would also recommend having a drip tray underneath the cobbler, as it can bubble over if you're using a medium or low-sided dish. Having finished baking, it should have a golden look on the top. Let it sit for around 30 minutes before serving it with a side of ice cream of your choice. As you can see, I'm having trouble getting myself a bite, so I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this spiced apple cobbler. Check out another video from the kitchen. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.